Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be guiding you how you can fix the problem of S Pen. I have two Samsung phones. On my left is the Samsung S22 Ultra and on the right is a Note 20 Ultra. And if you are unable to take the picture with your S Pen, then what you need to do, I will be guiding you. So let's say on my first phone I take out the pen and I'm pressing that bit longer, nothing happening. And if I open up the camera and take the picture, I'm pressing that, nothing happening. So I will be showing you how you can fix that. So I will be showing you here also. See, if I take out this S Pen here and if I'm pressing for a long, see, the camera will open up automatically, and if I'm taking the picture, pressing this, it will take the picture, as you can see that, and it is taking the picture. So on the other phone it is not happening, so I will be showing you how you can fix that. It is very easy, and you will be, I hope, enjoying this video. So on this one, so you go to the settings here. I will be showing you again. This is the setting. You go there, or either you scroll down and on the top right side you will see a wheel and you just press on that, so you will get this. So here you can simply go to the search and select S Pen. So if you go S Pen, there will be S Pen, this is that, just select the first one, S Pen, and if you see that it is saying S Pen removed because it is not detecting that. And sorry, my pen is S Pen is here, so it is not detecting that. So I can, the first reason could be that S Pen is not charged fully, so you just put it inside and leave it for 2 minutes, it will be charged. If that is not the case, you are still unable to take the picture, then you can see here air actions. Air action is off, so you need to turn it on, air action. So it is now connecting for the air action. See, it is connected and my battery level is 100%, it is ready. And if you click on air action here, you can see what all functions you can use, and you can see here camera. So it is connected now. So I will be just taking out the pen again, and you just long press. See, my camera is on, and now you just press once, so it will be taking the picture. See, the pictures are taken. I will be showing you in the gallery. Here the pictures are all taken. I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find couple of videos I will be showing you. My channel has a couple of interesting videos. This is Sanjeev, Sharma, Sankush, Sydney. Lot of technical videos, lot of travel related videos. You can find out heaps of videos on Europe tour and other airline reviews, and what all good places you can see. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.